If you're wondering how to connect Navan with accounting software, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you exactly how to streamline your accounting process using Navan's features. Whether you're new to Navan or just looking for ways to integrate it with your existing accounting software, by the end of this video, you'll know how to do it seamlessly and efficiently. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Navan for free right now through the first link in the description below. And yes, we've secured some exclusive bonuses just for you. Stick around to the end, and I'll share more about how you can make the most of this offer. Navan is an all-in-one platform that helps you manage and streamline travel, expenses, and business operations. Connecting Navan with your accounting software can save you tons of time by automating the flow of transaction data directly from your Navan account into your accounting tools. This eliminates the need for manual entry and reduces the chances of human error. The first step in connecting Navan with your accounting software is to log into your Navan account and navigate to the settings. Under the integration section, you'll find a list of compatible accounting tools. Popular integrations include software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite. If you're using any of these accounting platforms, you can easily sync them with Navan by following the simple prompts on your screen. Once you've selected the accounting software you're using, you'll need to authorize the connection. This typically involves entering your accounting software credentials and allowing Navan to access your account. Rest assured, this is a secure process and no sensitive data is compromised. After the connection is made, Navan will automatically pull relevant transaction data such as flight costs, hotel expenses, and other travel-related expenditures. This data will be directly entered into your accounting software, making bookkeeping a breeze. You won't have to worry about manually inputting every receipt or expense. Navan does it for you. One of the standout features of this integration is the automatic categorization of expenses. Navan will categorize travel-related costs, and your accounting software will do the rest, sorting them into the appropriate expense categories. This feature is particularly useful for tax time and financial reporting, as it ensures all your transactions are accurately recorded and easily accessible. If you're dealing with multiple users or teams, Navan makes it easy to set permissions and control what data gets shared with your accounting software. You can decide whether to sync all expenses or just those from specific team members. This is a great way to keep things organized and secure while ensuring the right people have access to the right financial information. Additionally, for those who need detailed reports, Navan offers customizable reporting features. You can create detailed travel reports that automatically sync with your accounting software, making the review process much quicker. Whether you need reports for budgeting, compliance, or tax purposes, this integration ensures you've got everything in one place. To wrap it up, connecting Navan with your accounting software is a simple, secure, and incredibly useful way to automate your financial processes. If you haven't yet tried Navan, remember that you can start with a free trial by clicking the link below. And don't forget, our exclusive bonuses make this a no-brainer for those looking to optimize their workflow. So, take advantage of this integration to save time, improve accuracy, and streamline your financial operations. Make sure to check out the link for your free trial and bonuses. Thanks for watching.